Day 4. And I'm very tired. Spent all night trying to go through all the footage. And there was just a lot of it, so I haven't even really edited any of it. Just trying to delete what isn't needed. I was just really frustrated looking at it, getting nauseous just because of how shaky it was with the certain selfie stick thing I was using. Was using this Rode Video Micro, and it's good for whatever it's pointing at, but first couple videos that I took with this mic, the audio was better. The Rode, I couldn't understand what I was saying if I was behind the mic. Sometimes you could hear it good, and other times you could barely hear what the person behind the mic was saying at all. I'm just worried about like all the background noise, but I'm still figuring out this vlog thing. Like I said, I'm new to it, and I'm just gonna have to figure out what works best.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Later, buddy.
Hey, get back.
I was telling Jose about the footage and how I was getting nauseous trying to watch it, but he talked to the boss, aka his wife. She said it was okay to go ahead and grab a gimbal. Man, I leave my fucking keys in there again. Damn it. I locked myself out and I left my keys inside again.
Keep your goddamn keys with you, boy.
Ah! Son of a gun. He was trying to remind me before I left. Later. Take my keys out of my pockets. You know I got that Euro fit, and I just got other camera shit in my pockets, extra batteries, and I just like to free up the space. Anyways, got the okay on the way to Best Buy. I'm hyped to work for Jose and his wife, just to know that they are committed to growing this YouTube channel. Let's go to Best Buy. Of course, I forgot my mask. You already know, Falcon Gang. I've used gimbals before, but I've never like set up my own. So we'll see what happens. My Cummins homie. Doodly. So I don't know if y'all noticed, this thing is super dirty. There's no way I'm letting it stay like this. I'm about to wash it. You already know we had to get some Whataburger. 10 times better than In-N-Out. Don't argue with me about it, it's just true. Nothing comes close to Ferrari. It's the best of the best. I don't care what it is. Lambo, freaking Pagani, anything, nothing comes close to it. Ferrari all the way, every time. I really can't stop smiling watching this thing. My jaw's starting to hurt. Gotta go with the gold class. It's my favorite car wash. The guy who painted my car, Reno, told me only use the gold class from McGuire's. all done. Definitely was awesome, but it's still washing a car. My car's easier to wash. This thing has a ton of nooks and crannies where the water likes to collect and dirt. And now say I've washed a Ferrari. I want to sit in it, but I'm all sweaty right now, so I'm gonna have to wait. He gone.
Start. Come here. Come here. Yeah, he's laughing out of the seat.
Little turd.
Come belle c'è la luna brilla strette strette
Con here or here. Something nice. I can use these as mounting points. You know, you have your old filter here, so I mean, I gotta make it to where it's not very hard for the end user to take it off. A couple different ways of doing it, you know. Probably the best choice to put it here is just, I would say, look kind of tacky. I think it's too small. And generic, so I think I'm gonna make something nice here. Make maybe a nice little logo plate. It has to look nice because you know you got glass. It's on display 24/7, so you gotta make sure that it looks and represents well. You know.
Girl, I wish I knew on an evening in Roma, though there's grinning and mandolin in sunny Italy. The beginning has just begun when the sun goes down. So please meet me in the plaza.
You just cleaning it for welding?
No, just cleaning up all the residue.
What is the residue?
The coolant that's in there sometimes spatters up on it. If you let it sit, it stains it. But this will be the inside, this will be the outside.
It has a little burn, that's about it. Put it on the belt sander and flatten it out a little bit.
And that's gonna go in here, right? Yeah.
Yeah, the front.
Will you on an evening in Roma? Come belle c'è la luna brilla strette strette con.
That's why you told me to do it by myself?
Yeah.
Sotto il cielo di Roma, don't know what the country's coming to, but in Rome do as the Romans do. Will you on an evening in Roma, sotto il cielo di Roma, on an evening in Roma?
Well, I mean, there's two ways. I can do it like that and then have another break here.
That'll work.
And have a break there, and then we can have the fitting come here. And it goes like this, and then underneath.
Yeah, they had the filter on the front side.
And have the filter right here.
Yeah.
So I just need a screw. And then, so it'll be two breaks. This one, and then the back one, and then